Alrighty, 1983 AMC Spirit GT. I do have the front bumper as well, it's right there. Only there's a few dings, light surface rust on the hood, good tires. They don't match, but they're good tires. Like I said, I got the front bumper, 258 AMC 4.2 or Jeep 4.2, aftermarket HEI distributor with the wires, and the plugs aren't too old. New thermostat, new upper radiator hose, and it's got green coolant. The only real surface rust is on the hood, there, and should be there. Windshield is cracked right here on the bottom and at the top, but it's not really in view. Like I said, got good tires. Let me show you it runs. Here, the interior needs some seat covers, a little bit of carpet. The tachometer don't work. The radio is missing. The blower motor resistor wires are right there, that little square and then a little white wire. The blower motor bolts up there, the resistor up under the into that dash. This here is goes to the trunk. T5 5-speed manual. Some papers that he gave of all the like parts lists and everything and what he's going to do to it. Also have a manual for it as well. Some parts, upper ball joint tie rod ends, lower ball joints, a few other things. I think it needs a good carburetor cleaning. We didn't do much to the carburetor other than add gas. Oh, it has new front brake calipers and rear wheel cylinders. The brakes are good all the way around. The rear brake lights work, tail lights work. I said it needs a little bit of a carb work. Right there is your blower motor resistor wires. This one here and this one, and it mounts up in here somewhere. There you have it.